Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to split a cell horizontally in Google Sheets. So first we're going to open Google Sheets. So the next thing we're going to do is unmerge the cell. So we're going to go to the merge section. Then click on the arrow. Then we're going to click on unmerge. So it's going to put it to the first cell. So next we're going to go to the formula section and we're going to copy and paste separately. We're going to copy and paste the names separately, as you can see. We're going to copy it by clicking on Ctrl and C, then pasting by Ctrl and V. We're going to do this again. You guys could erase the names under the formula section. So as you can see, we're splitting it one by one. We have to do it manually since we don't have any other command to do it. So this is how we split it. It's a very simple step, but you're going to do it manually. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.